Hi guys! Magandang araw. Welcome to Phil Mateo TV. Ngayon, samahan niyo ako mag-unbox ng isang laptop, isang budget laptop mula sa Kim Store. Itong laptop na to, by the way, costs around 13,000 pesos regularly. Ngayon, nabili ko siya during August 8, 2024 sa halagang 5,000 pesos. Free shipping via Shopee. Ilalagay ko na lang dito sa screen yung specs ng laptop nito as well as yung pangalan ng laptop. I-initial review natin. Ang natatandaan ko sa specs nito is an Intel Celeron N na processor, 6GB na RAM, 128 na SSD na storage. Pretty basic for me if you're gonna ask me. Kung ang intention mo lang is mga MS Office, browsing, watching videos, okay na yon. But if you are into heavier stuff like video editing, gaming, or anything na CAD or gagamit ka ng AI, you might want to go somewhere else. And this one is a BMax S13 6GB 128GB variant. So ito 5,000 pesos yung worth nito. So okay na naman siya for its price. Tingnan natin kung ano yung kasama nito. So basically Intel Celeron N, medyo outdated na 8th generation. As of this writing, nakaka 12th generation ng Intel. And ito yung nasa lower spectrum na ng mga processor, no? So makikita mo dyan ang BMax tas laptop na label sa likod. Ganun pa rin BMax na na label at saka mga label made in China. Official website is bmaxit.com. Okay? Meron din label dito na nakalagay kung ano yung model. Ito yung model name. Okay, Intel Processor Lake N4020 processor, 6GB memory, 128 high-speed SSD, 13 inches yung screen, so medyo hindi ganun kalaki. Cell lithium ion polymer. Okay, so power niya is 38 wattage hours. Ang voltage niya is 7.6 volt. Okay, ilalagay ko na din sa text dito na video na to para makita nyo yung specs. Anyway, ang mas relevant naman would be yung paano siya, how is it yung display niya and some other stuff. So this one is an initial impression. Hopefully okay yung impression niya, and for that price panalo na to. Okay, once you open the box, ito yung mga kasama. Syempre may protective styro and all. You have your main item, which is the laptop. You have your documentation. You also have your charger. Okay, kakaiba yung charger niya. May mga iba-ibang attachment, like for US na plug, the flat one. Meron din namang siyang adapter for the round adapter. Usually for Middle Eastern country or some European country, adapt this kind of adapter. And meron pa bang iba? Wala na. That's pretty much it. So ang bare lang nun, wala nang ibang cable. So let's get it out of the way. Itong itong adapter, syempre gagamitin natin yung pang flat. Ito naman kasi standard sa Philippines. I-insert mo lang, rotate mo lang to the left, that you'll hear a click, that means na okay. Tapos round yung adapter niya. Okay, meron siyang tie wire to keep everything compact. Yung documentation, there you have it. Okay, ito na yung item. So naka-sleeve siya, isang plastic. Okay, glossy ang finish niya. Okay, sorry, naka-warm white yung ilaw namin. So it might looks different from your end. Okay, tapos buksan natin syempre. Tapos meron siyang protective something. Okay, tapos meron din siyang film sa may mismong laptop, sa mismong screen. Tingnan natin kung may stock yung And that's the thing, wala siyang default charge. So, charge natin. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ano magiging itsura. So, samahan nyo ako, no? Okay, sineset up na natin tong BMax S13. Kakakonek ko lang sa internet. Tanggalin natin yung protective film sa 13.3 inch niya. It's one of the satisfying thing to do. Okay, tanggal na siya. Sa screen naman, hindi naman siya masama. I wouldn't say it looks bad. It's pretty decent for its price. Okay naman yung definition ng niya, ng screen for its price. And then yung screen, yung pad is okay naman, responsive. Keyboard, malalaki. Okay yan para sa mga malalaking kamay. But for me, usually for laptop, mas gusto ko yung may separate na keyboard. Kasi madiin akong mag-type. Okay? So far, matagal yung setup niya. I'm not quite sure why. Siguro kumukuha pa ng Windows update. Nung nakuha ko tong laptop na to, kung nakita niyo sa video kanina, fully drained siya. And then once I plugged it in, nandito yung niya, yung charger niya sa left side. Nung una, nalagay ko sa kabila. Okay, so nagkamali ako doon. Mga ports nga pala niya, while we are setting up, is meron siyang USB, meron siyang itong USB, meron siyang headphone, meron siyang micro SD, just in case you want to access some file using your media. And other dito would be micro HDMI, parang konti na lang gumagamit niyan. No? And you have your USB as well. Kasi ito yung port ng charger. Tapos ito yung attachment kanina, just in case gusto mo ng round plug. Okay, so nagse-set up pa siya. Use ko ito ng mga ilang minuto siguro, tapos tingnan natin kung ano itsura niya, kung ano yung performance ba niya in terms of browsing. We'll watch some videos, tapos play a couple of music, tingnan natin yung audio quality. In terms of audio naman, dito man tayo particular kasi for laptop naman, we can buy headphone, Bluetooth or wired one. So there you have it. So far maganda pa naman siya. Matagal lang mag-update. So expected naman yun sa mga bagong laptop. Especially sa kakaboot up. So satisfied naman ako for its performance. Siyempre may license agreement. Wala naman tayo ibang option but to accept that. And just a moment, we will set it up. Balikan ko kaya once na fully set up na natin to. Okay, na-set up ko na yung laptop. So, check natin kung anong itsura ng video pag ito na-play natin. Here's my channel. Naglo-load up. Hindi, medyo yung sounds like sponge, yung bass, medyo nakukulangan ako. In terms of display, vivid naman. Is it the best out in the market? Not really. Siguro I would consider this one 6 out of 10. No? So, pasang-awa lang siya. Matino na naman its first price. There you have it. So, my initial impression, sulit naman siya for the price. For the 5,000 pesos, okay siya. If in case kahit naman nasa 13 or 14,000, okay na rin siya. So set your expectation, hindi siya sobrang ganun kaganda, hindi naman siya masama din. So I would say it's a fair, you get what you pay for. Hopefully matibay itong ganitong klaseng laptop. Okay, so there you have it. It's a budget laptop that won't break the bank. Please do subscribe to my humble channel. Kung may hilig kayo sa mga sneaker content, this is the way to go, mga travel and mga sulit na tech stuff. So this is your channel. Thank you for watching. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless. Love you all. Bye.